Hello friends, welcome to the chapter 4 of matrices and determinants. So today we shall deal with logarithms. So when it comes to logarithms, here you should look after how you should write in an exponential form. So already we have learnt what do you mean, what is indices and exponents. So according to exponents, anything to the power of a to the power of x will be m. So if you have considered this as m, so if this has to be written in a logarithmic form, so it's nothing but, so this value is being called as base. Every time this is being called as base, so this base is being written as the power of x will be taken as x is equal to, so log will come here, log base a to the value of m. So how you are supposed to write this exponential form to logarithm form is, so anything to the power what is there is x is there, so you will write x is equal to, you will write log, so this a base will be written as log a m. So this will be written, so this is how you will convert the exponential form into logarithmic form. So here are the logarithms which are related, some of the examples. So if 2 power 4 is 16, so first what you will do, anything to the power 4 will be written, so 4 is equal to log, so 2 is the base, so you will take 2 as the base, 16, so log 16 to the base 2 is equal to 4. This is how you will call this. So 125 to the power 3 is equal to 5, so 1 by 3 is equal to log 125 base to the log 5 to the base 125. So these are called base 10 as the common logarithms, so it's called as naturally the natural logarithms. So here there are some of the exponential form where it has to be converted into logarithmic form. So here you have log base 3 9 is equal to 2. So now converting this to exponential form is very easy. How is that is, here you have a base as 3, 3 square is equal to 9, and once again 2 to the power 6 is equal to 64, and here 25 to the power 1.5 will become 125, and once again here be careful, 5 to the power minus 2 is equal to 1 divided by 25. So 5 square is minus 25 here. Why? Because you have to the power of minus 2, so instead of writing as minus 25, so you can write as 1 divided by 25. So this is how you will write anything which has to be converted from logarithm to exponential. So be careful, this base what you are taking here, so base this will become a power is equal to the value. So this is how you will convert from logarithmic value to exponential form. Express the following in logarithmic form. So if 8 square is written as 64, how you will write, sir? You will write as log, so this will become base as usual, log 8 64 is equal to 2. So this will be the logarithmic form. And one more sum you can have a look here, 3 to the power minus 2. So as usual anything to the power will become at last, or you can write as minus 2 is equal to, so minus 2 you will leave. So first you will write as log, this 3 will become base 3, and the value what you are having is, you have to find out that 1 by 9. So log 1 by 9 to the base 3 is equal to minus 2. So this is how you will convert into logarithmic form when you have an exponential value. So here if you have log 9 to the base 3, so how you are supposed to write is, first convert it into exponent, 3 to the power x is equal to 9. So 3 power x is equal to 9 can be written as 3 to the power square. So this 3 and this 3 base are equal, so you equate, so power is x and here power is 2, so x is equal to 2. In the same way the second question, log 64 to the base 2 square 2 is equal to x. So what you are supposed to do is first take it into exponential form, that is 2 root 2 to the power of x is equal to 64. So here the next thing, so how this 3 by 2 came, sir? So very simple, so root 2 can be written as 2 1 by 2. In an indices I have taught you how 1 by 2 will come. So whenever there is a root, it's 1 by 2. Whenever it is a cube, we will write 1 by 3. So 2 into 2, 1 by 2. So 2 and 2 are common. So here if there is nothing, it is called as 2 to the power 1. So 1 plus 1 by 2 will become 2 to the power 3 by 2. So this whole 2 to the root 2 will become 2 to the power 3 by 2 to the power of x is equal to 2 power 6. So now this 3 into x will become 3x. So 2 to the power 3x divided by 2 is equal to 2 power 6. 3x by 2 is equal to 6. So only powers will be equated. X is equal to multiply here 6 into 2 divided by 3. So your x value will be 4. So this is how we will find out the x value. Next problem. Find the value of x if log 4 to the base x is equal to 0.4. So very simple. So first of all, this 0.4 can be written as 4 by 10. So according to the fractions, why 10, sir? After point only you have 1 0, that is why you will take 10. So then log 4 to the base x is equal to 2 by 5. So this 4 by 10 we have taken into a shorter format, so we have taken as 2 by 5. So now into exponential form, x to the power 2 by 5 is equal to 4. X to the power 2 by 5 is equal to 4. So now what you are supposed to do? So you have got x to the power 2 by 5 and you have 4. So anything if you have common, then you can find out the value of x easily. So in these type of cases, what you are supposed to do is, here you have 2 by 5. So if you take 5 by 2, so that means you are changing the numerator and denominator. If you take that on both the sides, then it will become equal. So that is why you will raise the power 5 by 2 on both the sides. So x to the power 2 by 5 to the whole power of 5 by 2 is equal to 4 to the power 5 by 2. So here 5 and 5 will get cancelled, 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So x is equal to 4 to the power 5 by 2. So this is how you will do like this. Is equal to, so how can this be written, sir? To the root of 4 to the power 5. Why you have written root is, this 2 can be written as root, or else if there is a root you will write as 1 by 2. So that is why you have taken a root to the 4 to the power of 5. So now root 4 you have multiplied twice, that is 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. So you will get a value. So once if you take a root for all these values, that is 4 into 4 into 4 into 4, so you will get a value as 32. So multiply all these 4s, so you will get an value. So take a root, then you will get a value as x is equal to 32. So here be careful. So whenever you are in these type of situations, you want to eliminate x. To eliminate x, there is only one simple way, that is whatever number you have in numerator and denominator, just rearrange in a backwards. That is, if you have 2 by 5, you take it as 5 by 2 as the power. So then this 5 and this 2 will get cancelled. Once you get cancelled, you will get a value of x. So whenever in these type of situations, go with this method. Next, there are different type of logarithms what you have to understand. So product law. So product law is nothing but log a mn is equal to, so whenever mn if you have here, it is nothing but multiplication. This can be written as log am plus log an, that is log base am plus log n to the base a. So this is how you will write. So whenever it is being division, m divided by n, very simple, you will subtract log m to the base a minus log n to the base a. Whenever you have the power law, so power law is nothing but log m to the power n to the base a is equal to, so this power what you are seeing here, this n, so this n you will take this side, so then it will become as n log m to the base a. So this is how you will take out the powers. Next one, change of base formula. So log m to the base a. So whenever you have this, so what you are supposed to take is, so once you should take log m to the base a as x and log mb as base y. So whenever you take this, you will get log m to the base b and log a to the base b. So here you should be careful. Whenever it is an reciprocal, So log m to the base n will become 1 divided by log n to the base m. So here you should be careful. Here you are having base as n and the value as m. So whenever it is been taking as reciprocal, base will become m and the value will become as n. So here be careful. Look for some sums here. Log 4 plus 2 log 3 is equal to, how you are supposed to write, sir? Log 4 you can't do anything, however you have to write the same thing, plus. So 2 log 3, this can be written as log 3, this 2 will be here, that will become to the power, that is log 3 square. So it's according to log m to the power n will become n log m. So this power will become at the starting, that is n log m. This is also in the same way. Sorry, whenever you are adding, that is log 4 plus log 3 per square, so you, according to your law, what you are supposed to do according to the product law. So product is whenever you multiply, here you should be having an additional. So log mn is equal to log m plus log n. So here log and log is equal, so log into 4 into 9, so 3 square is 9, so is equal to log 36 is the value. Next one, 3 log 2 minus 2 log 3. Once again very simple. So 3 log 2 is written as log 2 to the power 3 minus log 3 to the power square. So log and log is equal log 8 minus log 9. So whenever you have this minus, what you will do? Division method, division law. Log 8 divided by 9. So according to division law, you have solved this problem. Next, whenever you have log 144, how you have to solve, sir? Very simple. First, what you are supposed to do, you have to take an LCM for 144. So here you will get 2 to the power 4 and 3 square. So what you will do? Log into 2 power 4 into 3 square. So this can be written as log AB is equal to log A plus log B. So your product law. So log 2 to the power 4 plus log 3 power 2. So this can also be written as 4 log 2 plus this power will come here, so you will write as 2 log 3. So this is your answer. Next one, solve 2 log 5 to the base 10 plus log 8 to base 10 minus 1 by 2 log 4 to the base 10. So everything is in the form of base 10 itself. So here what you are supposed to do is log 5 base 10. So for this 5, this square will come here. So log 5 square base 10. So here there is nothing. So log 8 to the base 10. And here you can write as minus log 10 4 to the power 1 by 2. So this is your first step what you will do. So log 5 square is 25 base 10 plus log 8 to the base 10 minus, here if you cancel 2 1s are 2 2s are 4. So log 2 to the base 10. So whenever you have this log A plus log B, it's nothing but log A into B. So log base 10 into 25 into 8 minus log 2. So here they have not written 10. So you should write 10, or if you don't write also, it's not a problem, because it's all about base 10 what you are doing. So log base 10. So now if you are having like this, what you will do? 25 into 8. So whenever you have minus, so then you will come for division law. So divided by 2, 2 1s are 2 4s are. So 25 into 4 will become 100. Log base 10 100 will become the value as 2. Okay, so be careful. So here you are finding log 10. So 25 into 4 will become 100. So log 100 to the base 10 is equal to 2. Why? Because 100 can be written as 10 square. So 10 and 10 will get cancelled. Only 2 will be remaining. So that is why here you have written as 2 as the value. Why? Because 100 can be written as 10 square. So base 10 and the value 10 will get cancelled. So the square of the value 2 what you will be having, that will be the answer. So 2 will be the answer. Next one, log 4 plus 1 by 3 log 125 minus 1 by 5 log 32. So log 4 you are not supposed to do any changes, write the same. Here log 125. So for 125 take the power 1 by 3. So for 32 take the power 1 by 5. After this Log 4 plus 125 can be written as 5 cube to the power 1 by 3. 32 can be written as 2 to the power 5, 1 bar 5. So always when you are taking these values, check the power. So here you had 1 by 5. So 32 has a power 2 to the power 5. So 5 and 5 will get cancelled. So here once again for 125. So here you have 1 by 3. So according to that, find out the powers. 5 cube is 125. So here in this step 3 and 3 will get cancelled, 5 and 5 will get cancelled. So in next step it is log 4 plus log 5 minus log 2. So this how you are supposed to find is whenever you have plus you have to multiply log AB. So log into 4 into 5 divided by 2 is equal to, you will get 2 to the power 5, 10. So your total value is log 10 is the answer. Next one is also according to the same way. Once again it's very simple, so you can do easily. What's the one change is here you have base 10 for all the values what they have given. So here you have base 10, here you have base 10. So 10 ones are 10. So that is why log 10 to the base 10 will become 1. So every time this value and this value if you have same, so this value will always be 1. Show that log BC divided by A square plus log CA divided by B square plus log AB divided by C square is equal to 0. So here you have some values. So what you are supposed to do is, here RHS is being given as 0. That means you have to find out the RHS value by taking LHS into consideration. So here they have given these values, however they have given, write down the same. So here everything is in the plus, that is according to the product law, log m plus log n is equal to log mn. So multiply, everywhere log is there, so take log into consideration. BC by A square into CA by B square into AB by C square. So in the next step, log everything if you multiply here, what it will be, sir? A square, B square and C square. How it is means, here you have B, here you have B. So B square, here you have A, here you have A square, here you have C, here you have C. It will become C square. And once again in the denominator you have A square, B square, C square. So cancel. So log 1. So anything log, anytime log 1 is always the value is 0. So here RHS is 0 and even you have found the value as 0. So what you have done is correct, hence proved. Next problem. 2 log 11 by 13 plus log 55 by 91 plus log 130 divided by 77 is equal to log 2. So RHS is been given, so LHS is been given. So you have to prove that log 2 is the answer. So if you prove, what you have done is correct. So 2 log 11 by 13 plus, here what they have given is minus log 55 by 91 plus log 130 by 77. So this what can be done is, we can write as log 11 by 13 to the whole square. So here you don't have anything, so that is why what we will do is, so we will come for this equation. What is this, sir? Log m minus log n is equal to log m by n. So to bring for this format, what we shall do is log 130 by 77 minus log 55 by 91. So we will interchange and we will subtract the value. Next step it will be log. So whenever you have minus, so what you will do, you will divide 130 by 77 the whole divided by 55 by 91. So once again plus log. So now what you are supposed to do, you should eliminate the values. 130 by 77 into, first what you will do, this denominator value in denominator, the denominator value will be written in numerator, that is 91 divided by 55. Cancel, you will get as 26 by 11 and 13 by 11. So here you have 11 and 13, that is you have square here. So log is common for both. 11 into 11, 13 into 13 you will write into, because whenever you have plus, make sure what you will write is log m plus log n. So here m plus n you have, so m into n into 26 into 13 divided by 11 into 11. So this 11 and this 11 will get cancelled. So this 13 and this 13 and this 13 ones are 13 twos are 26, so 2 will be remaining. Log 2 is the value, and here also you have log 2. So what you have done is correct, hence proved. So you can write as LHS is equal to RHS. So be careful. What you are supposed to do is, here you should interchange the values. Why? Because you can write in the format of this fraction value, that is log m divided by n. So only to bring for this way, what you have done is, you have interchanged the values for this, that is log 130 by 77 minus log 55 by 90. Next value, log x plus 4 minus log 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. So whenever you have minus, you will go with an division value. X plus 4 divided by 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. So here once again, x plus 4 divided by 3x minus 2, you have to equate, because anytime 0 is there, even this should also be written in the form of log itself. So log 1 is equal to 0, that is why you have taken as log 1. Here you have a value as 0, for that the substitution is log 1. So log and log are common, so eliminate log, you will only take the values. X plus 4 divided by 3x minus 2 is equal to 1. So now do the cross multiplication. X plus 4 is equal to 3x minus 2. So when you do the cross multiplication, so then x and x values will come at one side and remaining values will come for an other side. So you will get a value as 2x is equal to 6. So then x is equal to 6 by 2. So the original x value will be 3. So this is how you will find out the x value. So whenever you have log as common. If log a minus log b is equal to log a minus b, and b should not equal to b1, show that. So here you have to prove this has been equal. So log a minus b is written as log a divided by b according to the equation, is equal to log a minus b. So log and log is same, so cancel that. A by b is equal to a minus b. Cross multiplication, a is equal to ba or ab minus b square. So now here you have a, here you have ab, here you have b square. So take out b square separately. B square is equal to ab minus a. So b square is equal to a, take a as common, b minus 1. A 1 is a. A into b is ab. So always make sure whenever you have something called RHS and whenever you want to prove like this. So here you get a is equal to ab minus b square, right? From here make sure what has to be in RHS. According to that you substitute in the equations. So you need b square separately. So that is why you took b square aside and you took ab minus a. Why? Because you have a as common. When you have a as common, you can take a into b minus 1. So now if you want to find out a value of a, what you will do? A is equal to b square divided by b minus 1. So that is why, very simple. So first see what should be proved in RHS. According to that, make sure you substitute and find out the equation of a. These are the different laws of logarithms. What you have to make sure, that is the product law, the reciprocal law, the division law. So once you identify whenever you have to add or whenever you have to subtract and whenever you have an log value, so take it as common. So and expand and finally do with the values. So once it is being done, so then it will become easy to find out what is logarithms. And whenever you have base, so always the base value and the value what you are getting. Example, log 10 to the base 10 will become 1. Why? Because the base and as well as the value is being equal, so it will become the value as 1. And log 1 is equal to 0 every time. So these two things, it's very carefully you have to do whenever a problem is being given. See, these are the necessary details what you have to learn as a form of basics. So further we shall deal with anti-logarithms in our next session. Till then, happy learning, good luck, thank you.